For what values of a and b is the line 2x plus y equals b tangent to the parabola y equals ax squared when x equals 2? The derivative of this, dy dx, is 2ax. Okay, so we know that the derivative is the slope of the tangent line at this curve. Well, they said that this is the tangent line. So if I solve for y equals negative 2x plus b. So we know that this is the slope of the tangent line, and we also know that this is the slope of the tangent line, negative 2, right? They're both the same thing. This is the tangent line. This is the slope of the tangent line. Well, the slope of the tangent line is sitting right there. So 2ax is equal to negative 2. And they gave us the condition when x equals 2. So if I substitute 2 in there, 2 times 2, this is 4a equals negative 2. So a equals negative a half. We have the a already. So we have this original function, y equals negative 1/2 x squared. We now have that function. Okay, now, what we know about a tangent line is that it intersects. This tangent line right here intersects at one point this curve, right? And we learned in pre-cal that if something intersects visually, that we can do a system between the two functions, right? We can set them equal to each other and it'll actually pinpoint. Remember the circle forest with a line going through? That's this now. Okay, we have this function right here, and we have this function right here. If they intersect, their y values are the same, so we can set these equal to each other. Negative 2x plus b is equal to negative 1/2 x squared. But again, they gave us the condition when x equals 2. So if I substitute a 2 in for that right there, I get 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 plus b is equal to 2 squared is 4. A half of 4 is 2, but it's a negative 2. So b is equal to, if I add 4 to both sides, I get 2. So I found out what a and b are. Find the values of a and b. We found them.